And just a reason why God, I just want to share this before we pray out, why God gave me daily is because the enemy don't take a day off. So we can't take a day off. You know how people go on vacation and they don't go to church or they don't pray every day. Like so if you're wondering like why I pray daily though, it always says to pray without ceasing. And so we are intentionally coming after our mind. So when, because I promise you let one day pass, that will be the day that something is planted in your spirit that lodges doubt or lodges fear. And then if you don't recognize what was planted by him, then you won't pull it out. And so then it will fester. And literally, I just want to say this quickly. When you are feeling something, I mean, I thought, is it just me? Sometimes I'm feeling a certain way and I'm like, okay, now what made that? I'm like, whoa, where'd that come from? Why am I feeling like this? Right?
Yeah.
Right.
You have to, kind of stop, discern, go back and say, well, who did I speak to? What did I read? What did I hear? Ask the Lord. And so that's a lot of time, right? So instead of doing a reactive, we're being proactive in MRI.